Come stay with us at one of Korea's own luxury hotel brands, Signiel in Busan. It is housed in Busan's tallest building with the most incredible views of Busan's main landmark, Haeundae Beach. It opened in June 2020 and has quickly become one of the most popular hotels in Busan. The check-in process is a bit different since you can't just walk up to the front desk. First, you check in with an attendant, who then refers you to the next available front desk agent. Once checked in, a staff member escorted us to our room along with our luggage. They also gave a room tour and even asked for our tea preference. We were a bit surprised as we had no idea what to expect. We'll get back to this later. We were upgraded to a premier double room with ocean view. The room was really comfortable and felt surprisingly spacious. It helped that there's a large area near the entrance to store luggage. We felt like they thought of everything in this room, from the minibar to the kids' slippers to a variety of charging cables. Honestly, so much functionality packed in one room. And the same goes for the bathroom. While it's not the most spacious, it has everything you could think of, including amenities by the brand Diptyque. Here's the welcome amenity we were given. As you can see, our kids couldn't wait to dig in. Now let's get back to that tea question. Turns out that the stay at the Signiel Busan includes welcome tea. This was such a pleasant surprise. We chose a herbal infusion so our kids could enjoy it too. And there's more. You also get complimentary access to their lounge, Salon de Signiel, located on the 8th floor. There, you can enjoy some light snacks with an array of drinks and some amazing ocean views. Breakfast at the Signiel Busan was amazing with a huge variety of Western and Eastern dishes. Everything is buffet style. Their pastries were really good too, and they even had an ice cream machine available. For dinner, we used our $100 dining credit and ordered room service. It was about a 30-minute wait and we couldn't have been happier with the service. The food did not disappoint. They also provided kids' cutlery and a 10% guest discount. The ocean views at the Signiel Busan are just stunning, and we couldn't get enough of it, especially in the evening. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to enjoy all the facilities like the pool, gym, and spa. They even have a kids' lounge on site, which we definitely want to check out next time we go. We booked our stay through the Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts program to take advantage of benefits like daily breakfast and upgrade upon arrival. You get access to this if you have an American Express Platinum credit card. While we booked a standard room, we were upgraded to a premier double room with ocean view. For one night, we paid $267.53 and thought it was well worth the money. If you're able to, definitely add this to your Busan journey, even if just for one night. The view is unmatched, and enjoying the sunset while overlooking Haeundae beach is just a quintessential Busan experience. Service was great throughout our stay, though it was a bit odd not being able to walk up to the front desk and talk with someone without speaking to an attendant first. I didn't quite see the point, and it wasn't very inviting. Apart from that, we loved our stay at the Signiel in Busan, especially the unique touches like the welcome tea experience. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. See you at the next hotel. Bye!